Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into creating a task priority matrix using Monday.com. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to prioritize your tasks like a pro, so let's get started. First up, log into your Monday.com account and go to the board where you want to create the task priority matrix. This step is crucial as this is where all your tasks will be managed and prioritized. Next, click on the New Item button to start adding your tasks. In the task name field, you'll want to add a brief description of your task. The reason we do this is to ensure that each task is clear and understandable for everyone on the team. Now that we've done that, you'll want to add a status column. This allows you to set the status of each task to either done, working on it, or stuck. This helps us because it lets the entire team know the progress of each task. After adding the status, it's time to add a numbers column. This is where you'll add the priority level for each task. Remember, the lower the number, the higher the priority. Let me explain why this matters. By setting clear priorities, you help your team understand which tasks need to be tackled first. Next up, click on the Chart View button and select Matrix. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com is taking all the information you've inputted and creating a visual matrix to help you see your tasks and priorities at a glance. Finally, click on the Save button. This will save all your changes and make your task priority matrix visible to your team. That's it, folks. You've just created a task priority matrix in Monday.com. Remember, the key is to keep your tasks clear, set clear priorities, and regularly update your task statuses. Now, go forth and prioritize like a pro.